Next step is the shift linkage, and you're going to need, you don't have to worry about popping these off, but you're going to need a 13 for pretty much every bolt. And after I take them off, I will show you where they're all at. Okay, so we had a small issue. You might have this issue. This bolt right here, after I took this nut out, this whole thing wouldn't pop out. So we're just going to go ahead and leave it there, and what we did instead was we popped the linkage out. So you pop this one off, you pop that one off, you just pry them off with a pry bar, it's pretty easy. And then you take the 3 mount bolts back here off, and then I zip tied it to the back just to get it out of the way. That's pretty straightforward and easy. Okay, so your next step is going to be to take this slave cylinder out, and more 13mm bolt. It sounds sexual.
Oh, it is. It's actually good.
Look how long that is. Not hot. Yep. So we got the slave cylinder out. You just gotta twisty, and then like stick it in holes it doesn't belong in, and then you're gonna pull it back out and repeat the process a couple times. You can get it out. Yuck. All right, next step is the axles, which means we gotta pull the wheel off. Fun. We're gonna have to lower this thing down because somebody used the force of 1,000 ugga-luggas. So now that you got the wheels off, there are 3 bolts underneath on each side. We're gonna go ahead and remove the control arms. So I'm gonna be replacing the ones on this one anyway, so that needs to happen. Also, they are 13mm. So, because now that we've got those unbolted, the next step is to go ahead and take these and, hey, what are these? It was a triple square, what size? We're using this bad son of a bitch right here. Alright, so you're definitely going to need a wobble, for sure. Yeah, wobble protection, get her in there. Oh yeah, that fits all nice and smooth. And then, impact.
I like to set the impact down on not so crazy.
Ooh.
30mm 12-point.
This is a 30mm 12-point, you say?
30mm 12-point.
That is tight.
Yeah, it is.
That's the spirit. Can't be on there tight if it's liquid. Shebang. Air hammer your way to victory. Alright, so now we have the axles out. And these ones are muff cabbage. So I went ahead and bought these ahead of time, knowing that I was going to have to replace them. So sometimes when you do a big job like this and you drive an older car, you just kind of think about everything that you got to take off, and then if it's bad, you might as well just replace it while you're in there. Saves time and a lot of money. Well, if you're not doing it yourself, that is.